Hi guys, my name is Ilya and I'll be your K-pop instructor for today.
I'm the Malaysian champion and representative of the KBS K-pop World Festival in Changwon, Korea. K-pop is the upbeat and impactful music genre from South Korea that revolutionized the world of music with their addictive melodies and especially memorable dances. You've no doubt seen at least a few of these famous K-pop idols, such as Blackpink, BTS, Twice, Big Bang, and many more. In collaboration with Kraftla, I will guide you through some of the most famous routines to get you started. Their catchy hooks, flashy costumes, and memorable dances are all a part of the magic formula that makes us want to get up and copy their moves. I believe performing these routines will bring out a newborn confidence in yourself. By following in the footsteps of these idols, we'll explore a different type of performative expression that gives us a confidence boost in the way we move. So let's go!